Hi, I'm Vivek. You are watching Dr. Vivek Scientific. Armadillos are New World placental mammals in the order Cingulata. The Chlamyphoridae and Dasypodidae are the only surviving families in the order, which is part of the superorder Xenarthra, along with the anteaters and sloths. 9 extinct genera and 21 extant species of armadillo have been described, some of which are distinguished by the number of bands on their armor. All species are native to the Americas, where they inhabit a variety of different environments. Armadillos are characterized by a leathery armor shell and long, sharp claws for digging. They have short legs, but can move quite quickly. The average length of an armadillo is about 75 centimeters, including its tail. The giant armadillo grows up to 150 centimeters and weighs up to 54 kilograms, while the pink fairy armadillo has a length of only 13 to 15 centimeters. When threatened by a predator, tolipute species frequently roll up into a ball. They are the only species of armadillo capable of this. Recent genetic research suggests that an extinct group of giant armored mammals, the glyptodons, should be included within the lineage of armadillos, having diverged some 35 million years ago, more recently than previously assumed. Like all of the Xenarthra lineages, armadillos originated in South America. Due to the continent's former isolation, they were confined there for most of the Cenozoic. Armadillos are often used in the study of leprosy, since they, along with mangabey monkeys, rabbits, and mice, on their footpads, are among the few known species that can contract the disease systemically. Armadillo shells have traditionally been used to make the back of the charango, an Andean lute instrument. Giant armadillos provide a very valuable ecosystem service to the rest of the ecological community. A shelter from predators and temperature extremes as well as new feeding resources. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.